Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Mode. Really interesting problem with power. So right now we're going to train, we're going to learn, we're going to understand the power rules. So right now I want to suggest you to learn a little bit about power rules. Right here we have square root of 8 to the power square root of 2, square root of 2 to the square root of 8, and let's try to simplify it, let's try to solve it. I'm going to start with this one. Right here we have square root of 8. Of course we can simplify this square root of 8 a little bit. We all know that 8 equal to 2 cube. We all know this. 2 cube equal to 8. But moreover, we need to write it in another way. 2 square times 2. I show it a little bit later why this is good for us. Right now we have square root of 8. So we have square root of 8. We can easily write it as square root of 2 cube. But moreover, we don't need this 2 cube right here. We need this expression 2 square times 2. I won't show it why. Because square root of 2 square times 2. Why this expression is good for us? Because we need to know a rule with square root. If we have square root of a product, we can split it, so we can write it as square root of 2 square times square root of 2. So we can do this. But moreover, square root of 2 square, this is square root of 4. This is equal to 2. With this square root of 2 we have this answer. So we can change this square root of 8 using this expression. Let's do this. Let's check. Maybe we will simplify this a little bit. What we'll have as a result? We will have, instead of this square root of 8, we write 2 square root of 2. So 2 square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. We divide in by square root of 2, but raised to the power square root of 8, which is completely the same, 2 square root of 2. So I hope you understand this explanation. Step by step we just simplify this. Right here parentheses. And right now we need two really good rules that we really need right here. The first one, and it's really good because if we have a times b to the power x, this will be equal to a to the power x times b to the power x. So this raised to the power x and this one. In our case, this rule is good to this denominator, because we have square root of 2, we raise 2, and square root of 2 to this power. What we have as a result? We will have 2 to the power square root of 2 times square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. This is our denominator. But we need to know a little bit about our denominator, because we need to know a rule. A to the power x raised to the power y. It will be equal to a to the power xy. We need this rule in this case. This is our xy, and we can bring one of these power in these parentheses. But what power? It's really good to bring the second power. This second bring in these parentheses. We will have square root of 2 square and to the power square root of 2. So using these two rules, we just simplify this a little bit. But where we simplify? Right here, square root of 2 to the second power, we will have as a result what? We will have on denominator 2 to the power square root of 2 times square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. But in denominator, if we raise this square root of 2 to the second power, we will have 2 to the power square root of 2. 2 to the power square root of 2. And take a look closely. We have the same elements in our numerator and denominator. 2 to the power square root of 2 and 2 to the power square root of 2. We can easily cancel these two elements. As a result, we will have square root of 2 times to the power square root of 2. Can we simplify this? Of course we can simplify this a little bit. How? Take a look. This will be equal to, we need to know one really good rule with square root. If we have nth root of a to the power m, we can write it as a to the power m over n. So we can rewrite it in another way, in a fraction way. Why I write this? Because right here we can write it in another way. Take a look how. We can write it as square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. And as a result, what we'll have? This will be equal to 2 to the power square root of 2 over 2. Because right here we have square root, we will write it in another way. So what we're going to do next? Take a look right here. We have this expression. How can we simplify this? We can write these parentheses right here. Square root of 2 over 2. How can we simplify this? Let's multiply both sides by square root of 2. We have square root of 2 times square root of 2, and in our denominator 2 times square root of 2. If we multiply this, we will have right here 2 times 2 with square root sign. We will have 2. We cancel this, and this one, so as a result 1 over square root of 2. This is our power. Power right here. This is our power. With these 2, we will have our final answer. So this will be equal to 2 to the power 1 over square root of 2. Or we can rewrite it in another way. Square root of 2 right here. This is a power of 2. This is our answer. So our final answer, I write it right here. We will have square root of 2. This is our power of 2. This is our answer. Really interesting math problem. Take a look. One rule, second rule, third rule. 3 really good rules and a really good problem for those who don't know a lot about powers, who want to train this problem. So I suggest you to right now to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and then check these rules who don't know about a lot information about this rule. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. It helps me a lot. It inspires me a lot to make a new problem. I try to make new video every day, so it helps me a lot to make new content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.